This is the App Store Connect page for one of my apps about learning mental math. And as you can see, it has pretty boring screenshots. So today let me show you how to create an A/B test inside of App Store Connect to test this set of screenshots versus a new set of screenshots I just created. So before we get started, these are the screenshots I just created in Figma, and I have them in English and in German, and I've already exported them as files. Now moving back to App Store Connect, we should head into the growth and marketing section and select product page optimization in there. This list is probably empty for you if you've never done this before, so just hit plus and create a new product page test. I'm calling my product page test dark green because I've increased the contrast in my screenshots along with a few other changes. In here we can say how many treatments we want to do, because you can run A/B tests but also ABC and ABCD tests with several different treatments. In my case I only have one treatment and the baseline is the existing set of screenshots. You can also set your traffic proportion in case you don't want to risk 50% of viewers or of visitors viewing this new screenshot set. Then you can also lower it to any percentage that you'd like. In my case, since this app doesn't have too many impressions in the App Store, I'm keeping 50% to be a bit quicker. And under localizations here, I've selected both English and German because I have two sets of screenshots ready. And at the very bottom here, we can estimate our test duration. So if we want to find a, let's say, 10% improvement, we would probably need 450,000 impressions, which for this app would be 2,709 weeks. So it is very unlikely that we have a statistically significant change within the 90-day limit here. But if we'd say, okay, perhaps they convert twice as good, then it's only 25 weeks, which is a lot closer, and perhaps this would give us a bit of a better information. But this is just an estimate, and you will get the results either way, no matter how long you let the test run. So let's just say create a test here, and then as always in App Store Connect, it takes a second to load. And you can see you have your test name up here, so mine is dark green. And then down here, you can select your different languages. We'll get started with English US. Treatment A is automatically filled from your baseline screenshots, and original product page is your baseline screenshots. So in my case, I will delete all of these and import my new US screenshots here. All right, so let App Store Connect process these real quick. This can lead to some issues. If they don't upload properly, you might have to try another browser. Chrome usually works best, but I prefer using Safari for now. And it looks like they've uploaded successfully. So let me quickly sort them into the correct order that I was going for. All right, so this looks good. So these are now my US screenshots for the treatment. And then let me also switch over to German and also upload some new screenshots here. So the German screenshots now also finished processing, and let me quickly reorder them as well. So this should be the correct order. And now that we have everything set up, I will just click Start Test. If you're changing your screenshots through product page optimization, then you will need to go through app review. This is usually rather quick. So just say add for review here, and this is part of your draft submissions. So you could submit this together with an iOS binary, for example. And I'll just say submit for review. And now it's a waiting game to find out whether it gets approved. So now this set of product page optimizations is waiting for review here. I have another one called Modern Screenshots that I've ran previously with another image in the first slide. So for that one, I can show you how the analytics look. So while your status is ongoing, you would see your date here, and then you would have this view analytics button. You can click on that, and this opens up this little summary page here, which is part of the new analytics in the new App Store Connect UI. And here you can see the conversion rate of your original product page, which in this case is 1.27%, and the conversion rate of your treatment product page, which in this case is 1.39%, so a 9.5 to almost 10% improvement over the baseline. But it's inconclusive because the confidence is very low. because we only have very little unique impressions because this app just doesn't get too many impressions. But either way, for a result like this, looking at the improvement trend, I would argue that this would make sense to keep treatment A, because it does look like it performs slightly better even though we don't have too much data. Subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about iOS development and ASO.